Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. In this part we're going to combine into an RGB image. So we've got our combine RGB process icon right here. I'm just going to double click on that and it's our channel combination process. So this is pretty straightforward. We've got all of our images over here. Don't need these anymore. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete those. Yes. So I've got all of my frames right here. We're going to just do a straight up. Let's do a red, green, and blue. And we'll apply it. Goes pretty quick. And if we stretch it, we get this bluish tint to it, blue-green, which is fine. We get a little bit of red in there. Now, at this point, we could just close this part out. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. But we can do a few different things. So, first thing I want to do is I just want to do an ABE. So I'm going to, instead of using my icon over here, I want to go up to Process, All Processes, and Automatic Background Extractor. And I'm just going to apply that. Straight up defaults. Oh, nope, I forgot. We got to change the correction to subtraction. And let's discard the background model. Now we can do that. Anybody that's been following my channel knows that I keep forgetting to do that. There we go, that looks better. Now if we stretch that, that looks much better. Nice reddish color to it. Even got some colors to come out in the stars. But I just want to see what type of image we can get. So this was straight up natural color, RG and B. So I'm going to leave that one in the background for now. I'm just going to put that over here because that's what we're going to use going forward. But let's say I wanted to do sulfur in the red, hydrogen in the green, and oxygen in the blue. And what do we get there? That one's pretty interesting. So if we do the ABE on that one, we stretch it, we get a greenish nebula, a haloing effect. But we can correct for that down the line if that's what we wanted. But I'm not too keen on that one, so let's go ahead and close those out. Let's do In the Spirit of Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. So, hydrogen in the red, oxygen in the green, and oxygen in the blue band. What do we get with that one? And that one gets us Similar to that one, not as dynamic. Would take some processing to get that out, but definitely more reddish. But that's not what I want. What's another one? So we've got sulfur is in the red band, deep red, hydrogen beta. Hydrogen beta would be more in the green band. So let's look at what that one would get me. I apply that. And so I've got hydrogen alpha in the red, oxygen in the blue, and hydrogen beta in the green. And that looks very similar to what we had with the RGB, just blue greenish instead of blue-green. If I stretch the ABE one, let's get rid of that. Still got a green tint to it, but the nebula is closer to natural color, which is what I like, but I digress. So as you can see, we can play around. We can, let's say we wanted the green channel and the red, the blue channel and the green, and the red channel and the blue. What would that yield us? Looks kind of goldish. And a little background extraction and stretch. Actually, that looks pretty interesting, in my opinion. I want to close out ABE. That actually looks pretty interesting. I mean, it looks real fake, but it definitely looks interesting. So, just wanted to demonstrate that, yep, we can play with this. We can put all different types of combinations, find something we like, and go from there. But as it stands, we're good for now. I'm going to close this one out because I don't need it. I'm going to do an actual ABE here in a minute. So I'm going to open this one back up. This is my RGB, so I'm going to go ahead and rename this to RGB. Click OK. And that completes channel combination, combining into an RGB image. So with that, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astrometry Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.